Hi guys, if you're one of these people that is hearing the word Claude left, right and center and you don't know how to switch or you're not sure about how to do that, then this video is going to give you the answer in 2 minutes. I'm going to walk you through how to go from using ChatGPT as your main AI to switching over to Claude without losing all your history and your context. So let's get started. Okay, so here we are on the ChatGPT main screen. We're going to go down to the bottom left-hand corner and just click on Settings. Okay, and when you get this box pop up, you just simply go to Data Controls, and the bottom option here says Export the data. And when you click Export, it will come up with a screen that says just put your email in. Now, a lot of people that have been doing this lately have noticed that it is taking an extremely long time to do. So if you have not received your data export, please don't give up, just keep trying. Some people, I've heard people saying it's taking weeks to arrive, others it's just a few days. So I don't expect it to be instantaneous is what I'm trying to say. It might take a little while. So if you've got urgent plans, then please get started on it as soon as possible because you just don't know how long that will take. Then when you've got your data export, what you need to do is you come over to Claude.ai and basically go down to the bottom left hand corner again and click Settings. And then when you get to the settings page, you will see under capabilities, there is a section that says import memory from other AI providers. And then you literally just start the import like this. And yeah, you can basically paste your context document that you get from ChatGPT straight into here. Or if you're so fed up with ChatGPT not giving you your context document because you've been waiting ages and ages for it, then simply go to this part of the Claude screen and actually copy this prompt. This is a prompt that will take out all the key information from your ChatGPT projects and it will put it into a document for you. So you literally copy this and then you go over to ChatGPT and paste it into here. And it will and just send that prompt through, and then it will basically give you the output that you can then copy and paste back into Claude in this bottom window. Okay, and then you click add to memory and you're all done, ready to go. Okay, so now that you've done that, the next important thing to learn is what Claude can do. And there is so much that it can do, and you can learn that by watching this video on the screen next.